Ow. Damn it. Oh, do I not even have Discord open? Shit. There we go. Alright, where's... Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, whoops. Whoops, 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 whoops. You want to do that instead. Do this, and do this. Do that. Alright, that should be good enough for now. Okay. Pain. Where is my voice meter? I need to fuck around with that. And my Spotify. There we go. Alright, there we go. Alright, how's it going, everybody? The like 0 people that are here. Nice. Today is gonna be really kind of short, I think, but that's fine. Alright, where were we here? Oh yeah, we have a ton of bugs to fix today. It's just today is bug fixing day. So what did I already change some stuff, but wanted to stop any montage when we change a weapon, which should technically be this. So I'm going to test that out. The first compile of the day. Wow, this is taking forever. Oh, I need to disable this as well. Okay, I think it finished. All right, let's see how this goes. So, yeah, all right. It doesn't stop the sound, but I mean that's okay. That's the least of my worries. So I think like weapon switching, like honestly, that I don't know why this is really fast. Did I not change that? Just want to fix that. Not this. What's my reload speed? 1 second. Yeah, that needs to be changed. This reload speed is half a second. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, these are correct. These are not. So, did I change them in their thing over here? Hey, Babito, what's going on? Nice to see you here. Where's my reload? Yeah, it's a second. Why is it at 1 second? Needs to be like 2 seconds. Doing some Destiny 2 raids. Is that game like good? Last time I played that game was like 3 years ago. And I thought it was just kind of boring. Although I haven't done any raids, so to be fair, so you know. If you're not doing raids in an MMO type game, like you're kind of not really playing it. You need the DLC. Yeah, the DLC is kind of expensive too. And the annoying thing, like with World of Warcraft, for example, you can buy the subscription, or you only have to buy one expansion at a time. Whereas with Destiny 2, like if you want to play the older content, you legit have to buy it. Which is one thing that I would say that WoW does a little better. I still think, though, that WoW should not be a subscription, though. That's kind of ridiculous. But, because it literally, like, I don't know if anyone plays WoW, but legit, it being a subscription fee makes it so that, like, only boomers play the game. And it's like no new players can play WoW because, like, or at least no younger players can play WoW because it's just like no one's gonna be able to afford that when they're young. I mean, I didn't really afford it when I was back in high school. I literally just farmed gold, and that's the whole thing in itself. So wait a minute. What my reload speed is 2 here for this. Yeah, okay, so I guess I just didn't update this. Gosh, I have to be really much better on that. Okay. I mean, technically it's not a problem, but if this were to reset, this needs to be up to date. So just cover that. Yeah, probably don't. It's probably not super necessary, but it's all right. All right. Oh, that's fixed. Now we just need to fix dropping the weapon. I guess, yeah. This is not ideal. You could like the collision is so fucked. Yeah, that's the big thing for today. And I'm not really sure like what am I gonna do about like I really just want to get weapon dropping done today, like that would be ideal. So drop, let's go to the drop. That's equip. Here's drop. Okay. So it calls the server to drop it, which makes sense. Okay. Equipped items, player get active slot. Drop item. And then if it's a current gun, just set it to null pointer. So that makes sense. That, I think this part's fine. It's this part that is kind of fucked. So, item... I forgot what I did last time with this. I added this class. Drop item. Yeah, I moved that to C++. I know that. I'm not really sure what I did here. So drop, I did the drop. I thought I also did stuff on the weapon, which apparently it's like I didn't. But I should have. Well, so drop item, detach from actor. So yeah, this also should break when we do it. Yeah, this should break. Not that that's a big deal, but just for simplicity's sake. Or efficiency's sake, I guess I should say. Detach. And if it's an item actor, drop the item. Oh shit, yeah, I think I remember now. So, because this should be coming up when we drop it, and I don't think it is. Oh no, it is. Okay, never mind. So then this is being called from the item. So, oh, interesting. Two definitions. Oh, did I not even wait? What? No, I have I should have a function for it. Yeah. Oh, because it's a server. That's why. So calls this, which does nothing right now, at least by default. Picked up as false. And there's no owner anymore. I guess this should set an owner when it gets picked up. I mean, right? But we don't have anything being passed through to it, so we'll fix that later. I don't think that's that big of a deal right now. But I think what I was doing, this is why I don't know why, because drop weapon implementation is here. And so we override that. And number of items. Oh, if it's greater than 0. It destroys the local weapons. That's fine. And then it also calls this, which if it's not picked up, then physics is set. So yeah, this is the problem, I guess. This is the problem. I just want to know though, the weird thing is like, I should be able to pick it up again, but it doesn't look like I can. Yeah, I'm gonna have to enable debug on the trace function. Yeah, let's set this to true real quick. So that's happening. And it is like hitting it, but it's not showing the, which is interesting. Let me see. Like, are we hitting something that hit result, debug, yeah. Hit result. So let's GE print this, G engine. Then I should probably just okay. Let's check if that's being ran. So gosh, okay, it was kind of a bad idea for me to set that to 5 seconds, but oh, okay, so we are hitting it. We are hitting it. So wait, I'm wondering if I could pick it up then, even though it's not saying that I can. No, I cannot. Okay. So reactable. So I'm assuming see if this is getting called. And since it's on tick, we'll 0.01. So we'll just do showing feedback. Actually, you know, I'll put this at like 1 second because it might not be going all the time. Okay. Okay, it's calling that too, so oh, this is yeah, this is as a blueprint. So show interact text. That's on the player card? Really? Where's that at? That can't be right. Hold on. No, it is. Okay, where is it then? Oh, it's on Blueprint too. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So I'm gonna check Blueprint for that. Let me just compile it first. So get controller, HUD, interactable is interactable. So that's the custom HUD one. What is this show variable? True. Okay. So the funny thing is, even if this isn't interactable,
Hey Joe.
what?
I think Chris is gonna come over and shut the door.
Okay. I think so. Like, if this is interactable, then it should. But maybe it's not. I guess maybe it's not. So I think that's the problem. So it's not interactable anymore, which. Yeah. Okay. So. Are we doing anything with interactable in here? Like the variable? Okay, here we go. So on pickup implementation, interactable is false. Drop, it should go to true. It should go to true on drop. But to be honest, dude, I mean, you know what? I'll just keep it out of the default for now. Might change that, but so we set this to true, and that should probably fix it. Okay. So we pick it up, drop it, boom. Okay, and we pick it up. It's probably and it's gonna crash. Oh, but what crashed? So 952. Oh, this is the wrong file. It's like, what? 952. What's this in? This is an attached gun? Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense. Okay. It crashes here? We're not setting this to anything, though. Set shadow properties. Huh. Oh. Hold on a second. I'm doing an else if here when it should just be if. I mean, right? Yeah, that's a problem. Because they don't spawn. That's why. I don't know why I did an else if there. A little stupid. Alright, that probably was it, to be honest. Gosh, Unreal Engine, why do you take so long? Although I don't know if it takes as long as Unity, though. That's the one thing. Okay. So now, I think... Let's see what happens. Yeah, it doesn't crash anymore. It just doesn't. Okay, now it's going to crash again. This is good, though, because at least now, like, I'm catching where, like, there are problematic spots. Yeah, I said today was bug fixing day. That was indeed what we're doing. So 402, set in parameter. So is this audio component not valid? It's either that or this is invalid. But no, because this is just an int. And it would have crashed here if this wasn't valid. So this isn't valid. So we're just going to do an if audio component. I think. That's weird. All right. That should fix that. My drives look like, by the way? What's my... Oh, man. I have enough space for now, though. Alright. Alright. Okay, that's fine. Let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, see the... That is so weird. Huh. Like it's like the gun's invisible. That's kind of weird. What does it look like on the outside? Oh, what the fuck? That is what? Okay. Let's figure out what's going on here. Okay, so wait. Actually, I want to see what happens if we drop it again. It like just, yeah. It's so weird. So let's see. Attach gun. So I'm actually gonna put a print here and just see if this is actually going. I'm assuming it is, but this is like, I feel like the first part. Yeah, creating local weapons. Hey, does not need to be 30 seconds. My gosh, why does it do this? Like, what do we... It's just like, yeah, it's pinging the disk. Pinging it hard. God damn. Okay, so that created local weapons. Oh, okay, so it didn't create local weapons that time. So why? This does not equal 0? Hold on, wait, actually, now that I think about it, that actually, I think I might know why. It's because we need to clear it after this. There we go. So, after they're destroyed, they need to be empty. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So, on this end, it looks fine, but I'm sure... Yeah, it's broken out here. I mean, if I look up... Yeah, so it's like... doing that. Obviously, I think the easiest way to fix that is to... Because this is always going to work. Alright, well, I guess I have to figure out... Instead of just detaching it, which... Where am I doing that? I'm doing that... in the inventory, I think. Yeah, detach. Yeah, so trying to think, because obviously I think we wanted, I don't know if we actually want to change anything here, because detaching it, like, that's what we want to do anyway. And I'm assuming if down the line, if I have other items that just aren't attached, if it's dragging it out of your inventory, like, this should just... Well, anyway, I think this functions fine. I think the problem resides with this. So this sets the physics to true. It's just the only issue is... It's like, I almost want to just have a collision box around the weapon, but the issue with that is then it's like, it's hard to fuck, man. Like, I don't know, you know? I might have to on begin play weld all this together. Like, I think that's what I have to do. Like, because the body should only have collision. So, where's begin play? We have this get weapon part meshes function that we'll use. But where's begin play? Oh, there it is. I was just about to search it. Okay, so on begin play, I'm just gonna do get, or we'll do a for auto weapons, or yeah, weapon part for get weapon part meshes. Okay. And then for each one, it should just, if it's because everything except for the body. So basically, if weapon part equals skeletal mesh body, or weapon part equals static mesh body, and we just continue. But if it isn't either of those, then we do weapon part so I'm trying to think here. See, the only issue with this is, oh my god. The only issue with this is then it could potentially screw up the relative, because it's attached to a scene component to easily like fucking, like, I don't want to attach it and ruin my hierarchy. I forgot how I did this before, but I want to see if I actually did it in a bad way last time, because I might have. No, not that. Search for drop. So detach, toggle physics. I toggle physics on the whole thing? What? How is that possible? I don't know what the fuck I did. Because the issue with doing this is, and like welding it, is it will switch my relative location. And although I guess technically, well, no. See, this is the bitch. This is the bitch. Like, I mean, how is this all laid out? Let me check for a second. Let me go to here. Is everything attached to the body? Okay, they are. Everything is attached to the body at the end of the day, which is technically the root. But so I guess in theory it shouldn't change. Although I don't know, because these move and these don't move. Like I never set the actual meshes. It's always the scene component. That's why I don't know why, like, I can't weld a scene component to the physics body. Like, that's, there's no way to do that. Which is kind of fucking annoying. I mean, unless I only weld it when it drops. Like if it's on the ground and we're like doing physics, like, so maybe I'll make this into a function then. But for now we'll just continue doing it. Why is this? Oh, put a, so attach to attach to, okay, why is it not? Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna do this just in case if that's invalid. Tool mesh body static mesh body. Oh, what are you complaining about? Oh shit. Oh, but it should be a use scene component, so what? Why is that not compatible? Why is it? What? That shouldn't be a problem. Because, like, if I just delete this, then, yeah, so what? Okay, that shouldn't, the type shouldn't have to match. What? Hold on, might have to consult the all-knowing Chat GPT here. Let's see. So when I try to do real engine, I can't. What are they called again? What are these, like? I'll just paste it, whatever. All right, because and types are incompatible, although the parameter function should accept either. Is the problem. So you're trying to use ternary operator to decide between two variables of different types, which is not allowed in C. Really? I did not know that. The second and third operands of this should be the same type or have a common ancestor. Using component both are derived from using, so it should theoretically work, but the ternary operator doesn't perform the upcasting automatically, so it's causing the issue. One possible solution is cast the operand to using component. That's fucking stupid. But okay. Does that work? Looks like it does. Alright. There's also a weird way of casting. How does that work? Hey, what's up, TSHIP Craft? Saying Lamau. Wait, what's the problem? Expected a parenthesis. Okay. We don't. Yeah, no, we don't have a socket, so we don't want that. I think we just want to keep world. Or keep no, we want to keep. Oh, that's a good question. I think we just want to keep. I think we want to keep relative because technically everything is relative to the body anyways. It's the root, so that should be fine. This is so weird. Like, how is this cast? That is weird. I don't oh well. Okay, so I'm gonna make this a function. So this is definitely not butchered my username. Yeah. I mean, it's Tishcraft. Tishcraft. I don't know. Maybe I'm not supposed to pronounce it, but all right, so we'll put this. We'll make it a U function, because why not? We'll do. So we'll do weld weapon parts, and actually, just so that I'm a little more organized. We'll put this here. Wait, where is it? There it is. Put it here. Okay, and then I think we actually want a bool to say if we want to detach it or unweld it or weld it. Yeah, so we'll do a bool called weld. Let's create it. Oh wait, I already made a function called weld weapon. What? I already did this? Shit. Okay, well, I did not know I already did that. The fuck? When did I do that? I don't remember doing that. Guess I already did it though. Okay. But I think we still want a bool. Weld weapon parts get for each one. Set simulate physics. False. Collision enabled, no collision. Okay, well, there's an issue here. So I kind of liked the way I was doing it before. So I'm actually probably just gonna replace that. So I kind of like this way of doing it. Oops. The way you're thinking, I feel, is so much. Is this an online game or you're... yeah, this is online. It'd be hard to stay motivated and do stuff like this. Oh yeah, it's... Sometimes it's pain, but... Get through it. So this should just all attach it. But okay, so we need to weld it though. I need to make sure it's welding. So okay, this is interesting because there's a weld option. If we do attach component to component, there's a weld simulated bodies option, which is what we want, but it's not in here. Is there a separate one? I'll Google search it. Weld physics bodies Unreal C++. Oh yeah, so maybe I don't even have to attach it. Maybe I can just weld it, but it's still in the hierarchy. See, this is where C++ comes in handy potentially. But what the fuck's a body instance? I've never seen that before. What is a body instance? Takes two bodies and welds them together, creates a single rigid body. Okay. I think this is what we want. I mean, honestly, we can just see like attach component to component. Let's see if we can find that. Attach, what is it named? Attach component. I gotta type this exactly. Attach component to component. So this is that function. So where can I find this? So where is that being used? Attached to component. Okay, so there is attached to component. Oh, it's part of the transform rules? What? What? Okay. So then where is this used? Like, so what is a body instance? Like, what is a body instance? Okay, well, I guess looking into the struct doesn't matter. Right? We just need to find then what this is doing, and then attachment rules. Set up attachment. Okay, interesting how it calls this. I thought, huh. Wait, why is my YouTube chat not working? I know someone. It's a programmer watching your live stream is fucking hilarious. Using ChatGPT like a chat and saying stuff like that's fucking stupid. I know, dude. I mean, some of the stuff is stupid though. Cause like, I need to weld this. Wait, there's text? Oh, okay. I think that's just, yeah. That's fine. Gosh, look at this macro, dude. Like, what the fuck? I still don't really know macros that well. This is just, it hurts my head looking at this. Huh, your chat like bugged out. I'm glad that I was able to read it in the, have OBS on the other monitor, so I was just able to read it on the thing. So what is happening? So setup, attachment. Okay, and then set should snap. False. Okay, so where is it using this? Validate that the attached to and the constructor is just setting up the attachment, not expecting to be able to do anything else? What the fuck, dude? So there's this weld bodies. Oh wait, this function is a lot bigger. I just realized. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Where do we weld? Yeah, okay, here we go. So this is if we don't want to weld it, though. What if we do want to weld it? What is BI? Body instance. Okay, so body instance. Okay, so you can get a body instance off of a primitive component, which can do off of a skeletal mesh too. So actually, can I do this like without attaching it? Or is that gonna be like kind of bad? I don't. Where does it do it though? Okay, there's a little bit more down here, I think. So, okay, weld simulated bodies. Get body instance. Weld to implementation. Interesting. So, in parent socket name, and weld simulated child. Does the actual work for welding. Okay, so what if we called this? I mean, there is a, okay, so we know where body instance come from. We can get that from the mesh. This is just called weld. Takes two bot and welds them together. Like, I don't think, okay, hold on. I think we could do this. So we don't need to, fuck this. We need the body instance from either of these. Although I don't know if static mesh should have one. So, okay. We're going to take, no. What did I type here? Okay. Static mesh. Oh, God damn it. Okay. So, mesh to attach to, or let's just do body mesh. That probably is better. And then that will be a primitive. I mean, it can be a primitive. I don't think it matters if I do this primitive and then I assign it. Because that's the only issue. Let me think. Like, here, let's try it. U primitive component. And then equals skeletal mesh body. Like, I could do that, right? Yeah, okay. And then just to make this a little bit more readable, I won't use a ternary thing. Oh, actually, okay, GitHub Copilot fucking coming in clutch. Because I think that actually is good. Because if this isn't valid, then just do this. Okay. That actually is kind of smart. So now we can do body mesh and do get, what was it? It was like, oh shit. It was, oh, I had it open. Let me Google it again. I mean, I could probably just start typing it and it'll come up, but yeah, let's get body instance. Where the fuck was I? Okay. Get body instance. Is that gonna work? Okay, that works. Weld 2, alright. Or it's not weld 2, but it's weld. Oh, do we need another body instance? We do, okay. Which is fine because I can get it. They're all primitive components, so. Too many arguments? What do you mean? I mean too many. Or it should be not enough. Too few. Okay, I thought I would misread that. Relative transform. Takes two bodies, melts together. So what is this relative? I mean, I'm just gonna do get relative transform. Like relative get relative transform. Because why not? Alright, so I think like This should work. Oh, and we should probably do this outside of the for loop. Okay. And now, can we unweld it? I mean, I guess, well, in this case, it doesn't matter, though. Because we're not attaching it, per se. I feel like this will work. Let's see if it does. I'm just going to say, fuck it, I'm putting this in the begin play. Oops. Okay. All right. If this works, like, that's actually going to be crazy. Are we like getting bottlenecked by the hard drive again? We are. I mean, this isn't a hard drive. This is an SSD. It's just because I'm virtualizing it. But and that could be the case. But I mean, read speed, 100 megabytes a second. Like, I mean, I guess it probably could be way faster than that, can't it? The SSD should be way faster. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. Whatever. Yeah, because this is brutal. I don't know why it is super slow, or like it seems super slow. So I don't know. It's like taking fucking forever. I never had it go this slow though. I just put a new Gen 4 SSD in here, and it's like slower. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at that later, because gosh, my RAM, holy shit. All right. Come on. Oh my god. It's not even my CPU. That's like the funny thing. It's the fucking hard drive. And I guess my RAM. It's just, it never takes this long. I don't know what the deal is. Come on. Holy shit, that took so long. My god. Why did that take so long? Alright. Oh, don't even tell me that it's gonna crash. Oh my god. Okay, so we are having some problems. Body instance. 213. Assertion failed. Their body. What? Okay, so 213. Huh. Get welded if the component's been welded to another component, and get welded is true. We return a single welded body instance that is used in this simulation. Oh, well, I mean, interesting. I'm going to set that then to false then, right? What is the index? Index using components with multiple body instances. That's probably fine. Okay, so we'll do name underscore none and false. I'm gonna do this the same. Oh, maybe I shouldn't do it the same there though. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I think we want to do it for each weapon part. But, so why did this crash, though? Like, what does this mean? Their body? Okay, so let's look at weld. Should be an F body instance, right? Okay, where? Why can I not find it? Or, well, actually, I can just do this. So that's 1583 or 1586. Check their body. So the instance, and we're getting an assertion failed. Okay, this isn't a null. This is assertion failed. Hold on. God damn it. Assertion failed. Can I copy this function? How big is it? Yeah, it's not that big. We'll just copy it. Uncheck their body. Joey's Grant, would you like to go buy an Xbox for me? What? Why? No, I'm good. Assertion part is sanity check that you could turn on, turn off when you are done with your testing. The check macro you're seeing an Unreal Engine is an assertion. If the expression inside the check macro is resolves to false, engine will crash. It's sharing that their body, which is point error, is not null. Okay, so it is a null error. Indeed, null p. Okay. So this is a null error. My God, Grant, why are you calling me? You're gonna make me go on Do Not Disturb, you fucker. All right. So, okay. Where was the function at? So apparently this was like null. So, okay, I'm just gonna then check this before we do this. Why am I hacking? I'm not hacking. I wish I was. Okay. Script kitty. No, you are a script kitty, Grant, for like fucking running scripts on CS:GO. All right, and then we'll check this body instance too. I swear to God, if this like doesn't fucking work, that's gonna kind of piss me off. All right. All right. So don't crash, please. Okay, it didn't crash. But I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, nope. So I'm assuming that because this, put this in here. Oh, what did I just do? Let's do. See if this prints. Probably won't though. Welding. Okay, that's perfect. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna print. Oh my god, don't tell me it's gonna take another 10 minutes. Like, why does it do this? Something is wrong with my shit. Yeah, I don't know why it's being so slow. I have to look at that later. Because that should not. Okay, welding. So actually, okay, so it is welding. If that just all popped up. Okay, it welded the local, but that doesn't matter. Yeah, it's still broken though. Oh, what the fuck? What? That's weird. I wonder if it's. I wonder if. Cause, so this is like being. This is being ran. These are both valid. Or else this wouldn't be fucking doing anything. But so I have to attach it? Cuz I just don't want to, man. I do not want to. So like if we weapon part attach to components that so we need to like do this differently. Where does this all come from? Yeah, they do not weld by default. Well, how do I do that then? Where do these presets even come from? Like, what the fuck? Where? Oh, you know what? So E attachment. Okay. I think we do E attachment rule and then just. I'm assuming this is the welding. So, okay. E attachment rule. Can I like do this? Or can I? Oh, come on. Attachment rule. Keep relative. No. Relative and then. And false, and then we need to put F attach and transform rules. Yeah, that works. This actually just needs to be true. Yeah, there it is. So we'll comment this out. I think we have to attach it anyway. Which I don't like. I don't like that. I mean, I guess worst case scenario, I'll have to go in and wherever, like, every time a weapon part is attaching or, like, changing a location, it just needs to be relative to its, you know, fucking thing, which just kind of stupid. Oh my god. Okay, I might have to end the stream early soon because this is a problem. Hey, what's up, Ganta? This is pissing me off, dude. Like, why is this happening? Because this was not happening before. Every time I compile now, it, like, parses the drive, like, insanely. Is it because I'm running out of RAM? It can't be, though. I feel like it can't be because I'm running out of RAM. Using a shit ton, though. It's just a little weird. Gonta? That's how you pronounce it? It's not Gonta, it's Gonta, or... To be honest, I'm still not sure, but... Oh, shit. See, this is the problem! This is the fucking problem that I knew was gonna happen. It. Shit, dude. Because these don't move. These don't move. Okay, so it has to be keep world. So it's Gunta or Gunta. All right. Why don't you use your disk because you're running out of RAM? Really? I guess it's never done this before though. It's never done this. But you might be right because like I am running out of RAM. Which is so weird because like I don't know why. Might just try and reboot it all. But yeah, it's being like really fucking slow and I don't know why. Oh boy. Oh, it dropped correctly though. Okay, well, 100. Oh well, I wasn't gonna reboot the entire system. I was gonna reboot the editor and everything. possibly because like that's what's taking up all the RAM here. And Firefox, I mean, I do have a few things open, but it's only taking up a gig. Like, so this is taking up like 5 gigs. This is taking up like a gig, and probably other stuff from Visual Studio here. This entirety of Visual Studio is taking up like 4.6, 5.6 ish. Firefox is taking a lot, but always fucking takes a lot. It's fucking annoying. I like using Firefox because of the extensions, but like, goddamn, you know. It appears multiple times. Well, yeah, it's because I have multiple tabs open. I mean, what is the one that's taking up most RAM here? This tab. What tab was that? Nothing important, I guess. But I'm gonna need more than that. Just close tabs. I mean, all right, hold on. I guess I do have a little bit too much open. But it shouldn't be that bad. I do have Chrome, yes, but that is where my music is coming from. For reasons. Okay, so we got it down a little bit, but still not enough. So now we have 3 tabs open now. And it's still taking up, well, it's less than a gig now. I know, that's the thing. Visual Studio is taking up way too much. That's why I'm like kind of sketched. I want to restart it. So I'm just going to restart the entire thing. Shut that down and shut this down. And see all the RAM unload here. So yeah, we went from max to 7 or 8, almost 8 gigs. That's still kind of a lot. Not sure. I mean, at this point, what am I gonna close? Fucking Windows, dude. Just taking up so much of my goddamn RAM all the time. Okay. So let's open this again. Keep one web browser. Well, I have it split because I have to split the audio between the two. I think it's fine. It's only like an extra couple hundred megs. Let's just see if this like goes insanely high again. Let's build this. There has to be only one. Nah, dude. Okay, so that built pretty fast, but I don't think there was much to build. So that went up. We were at 7. So that went up. Oh, it's still going up. That went up about 8, 9, 10. Like about 3-ish gigs. Which is interesting because it's saying it's only like 1.8. So I don't understand that, but whatever. Do you have a demo in mind for this game? Possibly. I mean, when it's ready, it'll be ready, and don't worry, you guys will be able to play it. It'll most likely be free, and I'll just upload it. So when you know, you guys will have the chance for sure. If you're debugging with Visual Studio, it can cause a lot too because it loads debugging symbols. That's the thing. I do have all the debugging. I do have all the symbols downloaded for Unreal. So, but I'm not debugging right now. That's the thing. So I don't know. But maybe it was just like leaking. I'm assuming. Do I really need to like get more RAM though, for fuck's sake? I mean, I have 32 and I'm giving this machine 24. Like, and technically I could probably give it a tiny bit more, I think. But for fuck's sake, dude. I've never had this issue. You shouldn't have UE5. Why not? I mean, I actually do use them. I do use them. Okay. So we'll just see if it ticks back up. I'm going to keep an eye on it. You're not deving UE5? Well, okay, I'm not, but when I have debugged with this project before, and like, I mean, it works sometimes, but then it gets into like stuff where it can't go, and then like my whole logic tree fucks up. So, I mean, I can probably get rid of it, and I might, but for now, I kind of like it. Anyway. The symbols just have come in handy sometimes. I understand, but it's probably a good cause of the memory consumption. Thing is, though, I mean, probably is, but I've had it on for I've had them for a while now, and I haven't had the issue until now, which is just weird. I'll look into it. It hopefully doesn't creep up again. Okay, what did I... Okay, so the problem we're having is, so when it welds... See, this is the fucking problem I knew was going to happen. But, okay, it drops now. And we could, like, surf on it. That I'll have to fix. So... The issue... is so set relative transform. Like, ugh. Like, how can I set this transform without, like, fucking it up? I mean, I guess... Oh, no... Scope center. Or hold on. Yeah, now you're addicted to it like a rich little boy who wants the comfort of a god battle station without the hardware. Well, dude, one of these days, fucking, yeah. I mean, I am addicted to power, I will say, at this point. Because, I mean, goddamn, like, who has a computer with, like, 32 gigs of RAM and shit? Or at least, like, you know, fucking normal people, I guess. But, you know, I mean, well, yeah, I mean, but the thing is, you're a developer too, if I am not mistaken. So, I mean, it makes sense. I'm talking about like normies. I'm talking about like just people who boot up a computer and fucking jerk off or something. But the thing is, dude, I have a plan. I mean, I have a plan for like a 5K PC that will be able to run Linux, Windows, and possibly Mac if I have a reason to do that. I probably won't have a reason to do that, but I've heard video editing is a little bit better on Mac, so that could be nice if I can get that up and running and just all off of one computer. Like, that'd be kind of epic, but I put together the parts and it was like 5K. So That might have to wait for a while, but we'll see. But it'd be just so cool if I can like just switch between operating systems with one computer. I mean, I kind of do that now, but I can only really do it with Windows. So, which is fine for now, but okay, so I need to set static mesh. Oh, wait, I am setting the meshes. Or no, I'm not. No, okay. So set relative transform is always on the scene components. Well, if you need to jerk off professionally, may need a lot of tabs, and given the amount of memory web browsers can take, you might need 32. I mean, yeah. Honestly, if you jerk off professionally. Oh my god. But yeah, I mean, honestly, web browsers these days are fucking ridiculous. Like there's it's either I don't know if it's the web browser though or the web pages. That's the one thing. Like, I haven't really tried any other web browsers, but I feel like web pages these days are even bloated. So I don't know. But I'll see if I want to try and find a good browser though. It's just Firefox. Like, I have my extensions that I like, and I don't want to get rid of them. But we'll see. So this is a problem here. I wonder if I can't weld a scene component unless I can. Let me just try it and brute force it. Firefox gang, yes. So can I modify this a little bit and get like the one parent above? Let me see. How do I get one parent above in a component hierarchy? Because I know how to do it, like get the actual like top parent, but I don't know how to get one up. Like, see, attach parent, I don't think attach parent is the right one. Like, I do attach parent. Will it be the one, the scene component we are attached to? I might just like print this. Like, this is gonna be fucking weird, but I might just print this and just see if it's doing what I think it's doing. Put this here. And do get name. Oh wait, what the hell? Add on screen. Can I type? What do you? Oh, message. I thought it's always message. Okay. So, okay, this should print some shit. Now, okay, what's it gonna do? Okay, that was fast. And we're like right on the cusp. So like we're good. I think it might have just been a fluke when it was a leak. Okay, we got it. So scope static mesh though is a problem. But it did what I wanted it to do. So it is the component up. Okay. Guess I was thinking about that wrong. But there is something wrong with the scope though. Scope static mesh, which is scope static. Oh, scope center. Wait a minute. What? Scope reticle. Oh shit. Yeah, because that is attached to that. Well, this doesn't have... This is also not visible when... So I don't think this is a problem. I think we could just get the scope static mesh. That should be fine, because, yeah, I think let's change that. Scope static mesh. Alright, so this is doing what I think it's doing. So we'll do and we'll try it and do weapon part get attach parent and do attach to component on that. I don't think it's gonna work because I don't think you can weld that, but we'll see. Okay, yeah, see, we're fine now. We're chilling. I don't know what the fuck. Yeah, I don't know what was wrong. I don't know what was wrong with that, but we're good, I think. Okay, so wait, why does it look weird? What is that thing under it? Oh, it's the bayonet. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Bayonet. Static mesh. Where is that attached to? It's attached to the barrel. Oh, it's attached to bayonet, which is attached to barrel. Huh. Interesting. Well, let's just drop it and see what happens. Huh? Oh, and then that breaks. Okay. Weird. I can't tell, like... This is weird. But now I see that, which I shouldn't see it. Oh, God. But I mean, we're close. We're close. We are close. And it actually works. I did not think that would work. So actually, I don't think we need to do it on these, because the barrel will take care of that. So I still want to keep it in here because I need to have it, but okay, so let me add the reticle back, because I think that's probably why that's happening, because other functions use this function. So reticle, but we're just gonna add exceptions for that. So or weapon part equals silencer. We'll do silencer. Or silencer static mesh is gonna be that. And then weapon part equals bayonet static mesh. There might be a better way of doing this, but you know what? This works. And then scope reticle, I think. All right, that should be fine. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, so when I compile it, like, goes up a little bit, but then goes back down. So that's nice. All right. What the now the mag is broken. I could tell. Do I have the mag in here? Yeah, I do. But yeah, that's broken. But let me see if the reticle is working. It's like dropping it. Okay, and we don't see that reticle thing anymore, so that's good. So where the mag is broken. Oh, because we have a mag and then a loader. So okay. Yeah, we'll just take care of that. So mag Add a mag to the list. Can I like? I mean, I don't want to put this on a new line. It's kind of going off my screen now, though. But that's all right. All right, now that's good. So yeah, the silencer. Okay, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna have silencers and bayonets at the same time, because like, it's like it makes the barrel longer, and then yeah, I don't know. But I think we're actually good. Like, we can drop and pick it up. Although, what happens when you like reload? Oh no, it's fine. All right, epic. Probably should add some force to it though, like I was doing it before in this function, or not this one. Where's my drop function? I was adding some force before. Impulse, drop forward, vector. Why did I... What is this? What is this? Where am I setting this? Get actor forward, vector. Oh. Why is it replicated? What was I doing? Can I make a simple yet powerful suggestion regarding writing code? Yeah, sure. I'm definitely not like an expert in anything, so drop. You are free to ignore it if you don't like it. All right, I'm up to it though. So add impulse. Yeah, we'll just add an impulse to bone 0. It's weird how I have to specify that. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so after we toggle physics, we add a little push. I don't know, like the drop function. Like, do we put that in here? I guess, right? I mean, so skeletal. Or let's do U primitive components body mesh, because it could be 2. Skeletal mesh. Now, can I do this? Not mesh, but I'm already forgetting my body skeletal or mesh body. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay. Static mesh body. Yeah, it does not like that. All right, well. When your if statement predicate becomes complex to read, declare a variable just before with better name describing the condition. Yeah, I understand that I could do that, but it's still going to be just as long. You know, like, cause what, you might as well just do this. I mean, I know, I guess what you're saying technically isn't like wrong, and it's like technically what I should be doing. I do understand that. I mean, you know, cause I mean, I think the thing is if I come back to this after like fucking, you know, if I come back to this after a while and I don't know what this means, but usually I probably will. But I mean, especially if another person reads this, they're gonna be like, what the fuck? You know, I'll do it. I'll do it. Exclude meshes or excluded mesh. But like, I don't know what to name this. Because then I could just put excluded mesh. Yes, but the way it is now, it doesn't tell the reader what the intent. Yeah. That I understand. Actually, we'll say is excluded mesh. Oh, is mesh to be excluded? Well, I think that's kind of the same thing. Yeah, my naming conventions probably aren't like the greatest, but I think this is not too bad. Yeah, I mean, doing it this way, at least, at the very least, like putting new lines, I guess, is better. I was thinking about doing that, but I was like, I mean, I like the prospect of having less lines, but I guess sometimes that that comes to some detriment. Okay, so can I do U primitive component? Or wait, oh, okay, so U primitive component in parentheses? How did I do it before? How did it do it up here? Or, well, ChatGPT told me to do it a certain way. Yeah, doing it this way. So, where it's parentheses. I don't understand how this, like, works. Or why this works. Because, I thought casting was, like, you had to write cast and then... But apparently you can cast this way? Include ternary in the parentheses. Oh. Wait, you mean like... Well, no, this should work. I think this should work. I don't know. ChatGPT just told me to do it this way. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Maybe it didn't. Maybe you're right. This just looks weird. I see what I might have to do though. Okay, fine. I'll put parentheses there. Actually, do I need to put it? No, okay. So I can get rid of this, but put this here. Thought you were multiplying something. I don't know. I mean, I probably don't have to have parentheses. I mean, it looks fine. All right. But you could use yes for casting the result anyway. But this is casting though, because I thought you'd have to do like fucking, cast and then U primitive and blah blah blah. I've never seen it done that way before. So what was I gonna do with this? I'm like losing my train. Oh yeah, I was gonna add a force. So body mesh. What was it? What was I using before? Add impulse. Add impulse, and then so yeah, get forward vector. But we want the forward vector of the owner. So yeah, we need to get the owner before we drop this, which I don't know. Am I still owner? Yeah, this doesn't get rid of the owner. See, this is why getting rid of the owner here is probably not the best idea, because we might need it in some scenarios. But we don't get rid of the owner here. I don't think so. Doesn't look like it. I mean, do I get rid of it in here? I do not. It just calls drop item, which doesn't get rid of it. Okay, so we should still have the owner. Which is interesting because that means I never got rid of the owner. Which is kind of bad, but that's alright. We'll know how to do it now. So get owner. to Ccast, it's the nasty one, the one that let you do anything without checking if it makes sense. Oh, okay. Interesting. I gotta learn. It's funny, dude, because like I don't know C. I know C++, but like obviously C or C++ is C. So like, yeah, it's weird. Cause like I've never seen that used that way before. So yeah, that's the impulse. And then apparently for some reason I had to do this. So get bone name, bone index 0. So body mesh get bone name. Oh, what the fuck? Can I not do get bone name? God damn it. Get bone name. Shite. I don't know if I could do that with a primitive. Might not be able to do that, which I mean makes sense, but kind of also sucks. Okay, what is my Firefox doing, bro? What is happening? Like my Firefox is actually bugged as fuck. Probably okay. I guess I'm gonna restart Firefox. Dude, okay, what? Okay. I was like, probably because I ran out of RAM and Firefox like freaked out. Yeah, so it's skinned mesh component. Huh. Okay. Okay. So I think what we'll do then is we'll cast it to a all right, well, this is what we're gonna do. Cast the body mesh, or not that way. So use skinned component, and like this is base for like I just want to look at the hierarchy for this just to make sure. Yeah, primitive mesh. Yeah, all right. And then body mesh. This probably needs to be a pointer, I'm assuming. I did type this wrong. Let me go back. Or I can't go back. Okay, let's do that. Oh, do I not do that? To F name. Oh, well, yeah. Okay, that's obviously gonna check that. And then if it is that, we will do that and do get bone name. 0. And then if it's not that, we'll just do name underscore none. And then velocity change is true. Okay, that should be that. I know I use a lot of ternary operators, but like I feel like they're just so useful in some situations. I don't know if they're like actually frowned upon. I think they are. But I just think they're so nice. I don't. It's kind of bad. I don't like declaring other variables if I don't need to, but I should. All right, but maybe we'll fix that down the line. Right now, I just want this shit to work. And I mean, since I'm the only one working on this, like it's not a huge deal. All right, let's see if that worked. Oh wait, we don't want it to be 1,000 though. What is the impulse? 350. Okay, I have it at 1,000. That's gonna like blast it off. All right, moment of truth. Oh, and it crashed. All right, well, what? Is that a live coding issue or what's the deal here? Uh, 643. Drop item, yeah. Receive object handle, no read. What was... I'm assuming that's a live coding issue. I'm going to just assume that it is. But I mean, I guess technically I should just check if body mesh, just to be safe. I see why you use them, to be honest, because of the way UE5 forces you to use the API. It makes sense, but you are put so often in the situation of using ternary. I wonder how you could simplify or refactor this into a function or something. Yeah, I mean, personally, I feel like you should have the least amount of functions as possible, at least in a game, because it's like, you just want one function to pick up a weapon, right? You don't want to I mean, obviously, I guess you can have a bunch of private functions, but so maybe you should do that. But I like just having one function that does one thing, and it does that one thing. But maybe you can have private functions too, so maybe I'm stupid, but okay, so after that, we want to set the owner to null. All right, so let's build that. All right, while this is launching, I'm going to take a piss. All right. Oof. Okay. Oh no, it's still gonna crash. Okay. Object handle. So what's not valid? It was a good pissin'. Something is not valid here. I don't know what it is. Is it the owner? Maybe. So maybe the owner is already null. Let me see here. And get owner, because that needs to be valid. Oh, does there need to be a space here? I mean, I guess not, since it compiled. I'll just leave it for now. Okay. Open these again. Okay. So. Hey, okay, so it drops now, but clearly, obviously, something's wrong. The get owner, I think, is not valid. So. Where am I set owner? Where am I, like, doing this? Track this down. Wonder if this would be ignore or take the next line. What do you mean by that? Wait, set owner? That's... Hold on. I typed that. Let me just do set owner. So... Oh, I am setting it in here. I am setting it in here. So, okay. Fuck. Like, it makes sense to do that, though. But I don't want it to do that. Unless actually, wait. Unless we call the super after. Uh-huh. That probably will work. So we can get rid of that. There is no indentation on the next line after the if. Oh, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I kind of do it that way. I don't know why I do it that way. It's kind of inconsistent because some of my other parts of the code isn't like that, but fuck it. Okay, it still didn't seem like it pushed it forward. Are we adding the impulse? Let me make sure that we're doing that. No. Okay. All right. So, oh, okay. So we are calling it. Add impulse dropping item. Okay. Because I can probably delete this now. Let me just see if that works. It doesn't crash. Yeah, it doesn't crash, and it is adding the impulse. Maybe it just needs to be bigger. I'm just gonna add that back in though, just to be safe. Put this at like a really high number. But we are calling it. Huh. Okay, it's like not doing it. That's a little weird. At a really high number. Yeah, no, it's just like fucking not doing it. Just a little weird. I wonder if we just do name none for the bone. Now it just doesn't do anything. What the fuck? Unless, okay, hold on. Unless I just thought about this. Unless it doesn't have, this like doesn't run yet. Which maybe it doesn't. Actually, that might be right. So simulate physics. So when it's dropped, yeah. So, yeah, okay. So we have to call this. Oh fuck. Cause like, oh, I need this to happen before, but then I need this to happen after. Like, god damn it. All right, I guess we'll comment this out for now. I don't want to do that, but I don't know if we have a choice. Unless we just don't call the super at all. I mean, that's true. We don't have to call the super at all. And we can just fucking... It's just a little stupid, but... I mean, whatever. So... Yeah, let's have it delete the weapons first. Picked up false. We'll also have this be on authority. I think we want to do that. I mean, this whole function should be getting called on authority, I think. So, I don't know. But, we'll get rid of that. We'll get rid of... I'll do this. All right. There we go. Oh, God. Okay, wait. Why is it doing that, though? What? Ooh, okay. We have a problem. Okay. What the fuck? My attach function is, I think, fucked up. Attach. God damn it. Attach. Gun. So this is the actual weapon. Snap the target, not including scale. So why isn't it doing that? Huh. I don't know if I've asked you this before, but what motivates you? Gaming. That's what motivates me. Gaming. I like gaming. I don't really know what else motivates me, to be honest. Based. So why isn't this working, bro? It snaps the target. So why is it not doing that? That's so weird. I'm just... Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I might know why. Was the best game engine to start off in? Well, I'm biased. I mean, I've used Unity before. However, if you've never programmed before, honestly, I would go with Unreal, because you don't have to program right away. Like, obviously you still have to learn programming concepts, but and again, the other thing I like about Unreal too is the built-in multiplayer. Like, if you want to make a multiplayer game, do not use Unity. I mean, like, obviously you can, but like, Unreal just has it built in where Unity does not. So my computer is trash though. I mean, as long as you go into here and just turn this all to low, you should be fine. I mean, you won't be able to like see what your game looks like in the best case scenario, but I mean, especially if your game's like low poly or some shit, it's not really gonna matter. I don't know how trash your computer is, but Unreal is pretty performant on the lowest settings, I would say. Like, your compile times are probably going to be a little slow if you're using C++, but if you're using Blueprint, it should be fast, because that doesn't matter. So I don't know. I mean, yeah, if you have a shitty computer, then I guess you can use Unity, but I like Unreal because it kind of like eases you into the programming aspect. But C# isn't hard either, I will say. Like, I picked up C# because I did Unity before Unreal, and I picked up C# like pretty fast. So it runs on Ryzen and Radeon. Okay, well, if you have Ryzen, then you should have a pretty modern processor then. At least from 2016. And Radeon, I don't know what Radeon you have, but I mean, as long as you have, like, as long as you can play games, 4000 series. So you have, which is 4000 series? The Ryzen. I mean, do you know, like, what CPU? Like, just open up Task Manager. Oh, fuck. Open up Task Manager, just look at this, and then look at GPU. And tell me what you got. Because this is what I have. I Ryzen 5600X, which is pretty fucking fast, I will say. And then 2070 Super, which is also pretty fucking fast. So, I mean, I'm not one to complain. But I have run it on shittier hardware, and it's not too bad. Oh, your computer's locked. All right. But I've ran it on worse hardware, and I mean, if you guys know what the WinMax 2 is, the GPD WinMax 2, I've ran it on there. And, I mean, it doesn't run, like, amazing, but it runs. It runs, especially if you turn down the resolution. It's another thing you should do is turn down the res. Boy, I'm like getting lightheaded looking at the screen. I want to like get this done. I'm like starting to pass out though for some reason. People are creating PS1 horror style games with Unreal. Yeah, like, and that's the thing about Unreal. People think like you have to make something like very demanding. I mean, the engine itself is kind of demanding, like straight up, but it's like if you don't have, like, if you're doing what I'm doing, like with low poly shit, like it's not really going to be that bad. It's still going to be more than Unity for sure, but it really isn't too bad. You can take a break if you want. Yeah, I might take a break in a second here. PS1 RTX. I want to know what's happening. Oh no, I do know what's happening here. I know what's happening here. It's because the fucking I need to reset the transform on the components. So like I wonder if I could do that. Let me just, cause like I can't code for shit right now. Like my head hurts. Let me just see if ChatGPT can whip something up. Like have a function. What's the function? Or get weapon part meshes that returns primitive components in Unreal. Can you write a function that that resets their transforms because they were being simulated. Oh, but see, I don't want to reset. I don't want to reset them because I can't reset them. What resolution? I'm at 4K right now. So, I literally, yeah, I develop at 4K, and I'm like, I mean, we're at 90 FPS, and in game we're at new stat unit stat FPS. Like, we're sitting pretty right now. 2K, you mean? No, this is, oh, well, this, okay, I guess this window is 2K, you're right. But I mean, if I maximize it, we don't really go down that much. But yeah, we're at 4K right now on this monitor. So, like, although I am on medium scalability, and this is pretty much because I have to also, like, you know, test 2 players and shit, so I have to have the graphics down a little bit. But otherwise, I would have it higher. So, the meshes get moved when they are simulating physics, but I want them to return to their set locations before they were set to simulate. They are attached to a scene component for which their location should be relative to is there a way to do this? Hopefully it understands what I'm trying to say. Their initial positions after simulating physics. You could store their initial transforms, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Oh, this one I might have to take a break. Because this might be something. I mean, I could probably do this, like, whenever the weapon gets picked up, it, like, just sets, you know, or it calls the on reps again. I do something like that, some hacky thing. I might have to take a break because I'm, like, starting to get lightheaded for some fucking reason. So, I'm going to take a break. I probably will be here tomorrow, though, if I'm not dead. If I don't pass out and die. Yeah, so thank you guys for coming. It was nice talking to y'all in the chat. So I'm glad you guys are here. But I'll see you guys later. Probably maybe tomorrow, if not, maybe this weekend. We'll see. My schedule is always fucking, like, all over the place, so we'll see. But yeah, of course. All right, I'm gonna lay down or something, or eat something or something. So I'll see you guys later.